What is causality? Causality is the understanding of the world that A and B come together to result in C. But the question that must be asked is there anything inherent in A or anything inherent in B that necessitates the result as C? So for example, is there anything inherent in paper such that when a match is struck and is brought to that paper, that the paper catches fire? Or that when water is poured over fire, that it extinguishes fire? Is there anything inherent in the paper, anything inherent in the match, anything inherent in the fire, and in anything inherent in the water, that any of those things that we come to expect routinely in our day-to-day life must happen? Well, the obvious answer is no. It's only the things that we observe and those things we take for granted. But there's nothing in the particles themselves that constitute everything in the world that necessitate anything for anything to happen. So what is actually happening? Is there really a causal chain happening? Is there a causal link to be found? No. Because if I were to take any one of those instances into a lab, I couldn't find anything in the things themselves that necessitate for anything to result. I couldn't find fire in a match. I couldn't find fire in a paper. And I couldn't find the absence of fire in water. None of those things can be found in the lab. It begs the question though, is causality real? Is there such a thing as causality? Or is everything we observe in this world an effect? And that agent, that the cause of being, the cause of how we observe things come together, is the cause beyond the nature of matter.